In today's video, I will teach you how to create a bokeh background from any image using AI. Let's get started. If you've ever wanted to transform your regular photos into professional-looking portraits with a soft, blurred bokeh background, you don't need expensive DSLR cameras or editing software anymore. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT with image generation, you can easily replace the background of any image with a dreamy, aesthetic bokeh effect in just a few clicks. To start, go to ChatGPT and log in or sign up to your free account. However, the free plan gives you limited daily image generations, but you can upgrade if you want unlimited access. Now in the prompt box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image to switch from text mode to image mode. Now click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on Windows or Command-U on Mac on your keyboard. Now select the image that you want from your computer. For best results, choose a photo where the subject's face is clear and front-facing, and make sure that the background is not too busy. Now in the prompt box, type in specific instructions for the AI. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the results will be. Now press enter and wait for the AI to work its magic. And after a few seconds, your new photo with a bokeh background will appear. And if you're not satisfied with the generated image, click on the image if you want adjustments. Then type in what you'd like to change, and you can continue refining until you're happy. But on the free plan, you can only regenerate up to 5 images per day, so upgrade if you want more flexibility. And to download or share your image, hover over the finished image. Then click the download button to save it to your computer, or click share to post it directly to your social media. And that's it! You've just learned how to create stunning bokeh backgrounds from any image using AI and ChatGPT. With a little experimenting, you can make your photos look like they were taken by a professional photographer, all from the comfort of your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.